not even about learning, the journey of learning, but about passing judgment, which is related, right? You don't know the entire story. There's always somebody who knows more, even if you've seen something happen in front of your eyes. And that's why even the ayah فَوْقَ كُلِّ ذِي عِلْمٍ عَلِيمٍ, above everybody who possesses knowledge, is somebody, a knowledgeable one, right? And a fully knowledgeable one. Alim could be about kamal, fully knowledgeable. Someone who has the full story. That is part of the ayah in which Yusuf alayhi salam had hidden the cup in his brother's bag. And he had done so, if you didn't know the whole story, you would think he schemed, he lied, he conspired, he falsely arrested. Like, there's a lot of bad conclusions you'd arrive at. And don't say Yusuf, put somebody else in his place and say one of the students put one of their wallets in somebody else's bag and got them arrested. You would not find that to be an acceptable course of behavior. We would all pass judgment. Don't try it as an attempted tafsir of the ayah. Please don't try that. But if you did do that, it would be really easy to say, this is what happened. And if somebody says, you don't know the whole story. Yeah, you're always saying you don't know the whole story. It's on camera. We saw it. We know what happened, So when you see something, it's just too hard to accept. I don't know what's behind the scenes. I don't know what prompted this behavior, And that's kind of along the lines of what happens in this story. What's happening in front of him is so intense, it is at that time to just take a step back and say, I need to take this in and not react. SubhanAllah. So it's a real thing. It's a real thing that somebody's faith gets challenged when they see a lot of trials around them. And the first remedy to that in this particular piece of the surah is humility of knowledge. Just one recognizing I don't understand everything and being content with that and not losing patience over that. May Allah Azza wa Jal make us among the patient and among those who Allah continues to open the doors of wisdom.